Peace and love to everybody. Couple minutes video of my ride through Banff. Is it really a road trip if you don't do some 4x4ing in your Harley? I was going to put all the wildlife that I seen, but there was just so much that this is the only one I put. I droned this lake on my YouTube channel RSamson. The title is Banff, Canada, Part 3 of 3. I also droned this Bow Lake coming up on my YouTube channel RSamson. The title is Banff, Alberta, Canada, Part 2 of 3. It's an amazing mirror reflection video, and then the glaciers. It might be my favorite video out of almost 300 videos on my channel. Back home again, BC. I stuck a few seconds of my drone video in here at the end anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel RSamson. Goodbye everybody.